Investors are often confused whether they should invest in mutual funds or directly in stocks. And this is a very valid argument that takes place in the mind of an investor, especially if one, you are in the early stages of wealth creation, or two, you are late in meeting your retirement goals. Hi, I am Russell Miguel, and in today's video, we will speak more on these two investment avenues. So let's get started. So before we begin, let me give you a small scenario. Let's say that you had to drive from Mumbai to Goa by road. Now there are really two options that you could pick from. One is to decide and drive yourself. In order to do that, you would need to first study and plan. So you would need to study the route that you are going to take, plan and decide how and when you are going to make this road trip. 3. You need to have enough expertise to drive that longer distance on the national highway and the ghats. 4. You need to be prepared for any unforeseen circumstances that may arise, which may be a flat tire or a small accident or a roadblock. 5. You need to bear the cost of the entire road trip yourself, including emergencies. And lastly, you need to maintain utmost focus and discipline throughout your journey. The second option that you have is to just take the bus. Now, you do not need to study and plan. All you need to do is get a good service provider that will take you to your destination on time. You can pick from multiple options that they have of buses going out throughout the day. Number 3, you do not need enough expertise. All you need to do is sit back and relax. An expert driver will ensure that he gets you to your destination safely. In case of unforeseen circumstances like a flat tire, a minor accident or a roadblock, the service provider will manage that for you. 5. When it comes to costing, the cost of this road trip will be borne with likewise or similar customers like yourself who are planning on getting from Mumbai to Goa by road. So they have the same destination in mind. And lastly, you do not need to give your undivided attention on the road, as you already have an expert driver who's going to do that for you. Now coming back to our video, so investing in stocks is very similar to driving yourself. You need to not only study the markets, plan and decide which stock you will buy, but you also need to try and understand or perfect a timing to buy that stock at a good price. You need to have enough expertise in the market to understand the volatility that a stock may come across, any unforeseen circumstance within that company that may get the stock price really low or high, and you need to ensure that you monitor and track this stock on a regular basis until your goal is achieved. On the other hand, if you purchase mutual funds, well, you do not really need to worry about how you're going to buy and what stock you are planning to purchase. The mutual fund manager will do that for you. In fact, an expert fund manager not only monitors the fund, he will buy and sell stocks as they reach a particular target price, obviously depending on the type of mutual fund that you select. You do not need to worry about unforeseen circumstances that happen within these stocks, as the fund manager will do that on your behalf. The cost of managing this mutual fund and having an expert fund manager is divided and borne by likewise similar customers or customers like yourself who have the same destination or goal in mind. If this video has added value to you, do not forget to press the like button. Ensure you share this video with your family and friends. Have a financially great day today.